Yo, what is up, fam? Thanks once again for tuning into the channel. So once again, this is KIXPLORE, where we talk everything about sneakers, streetwear, travel, and a little bit of everything in between. And today, we're going to be talking about why you should be displaying your sneakers. I mean, I know it's a really easy question, but some people don't even take the time to look after their sneakers. Sneakers that they've been like they camped out for, they kind of paid a lot of money for as well, and all they do is just leave them in the box. Now, as you can see behind me, I mean, I might not have the greatest collection out there, but I am very happy with it, you know, because I know it's my collection, and that's why I display it. I like to show it off to see that the kind of sneakers that I have acquired throughout the years, and and it kind of reminds me of the stories of why I actually got the shoe in the first place. I mean, right now, ever since I've been for the last couple of years, a lot of the major sneakers that I've been getting, I have become from really deep and meaningful occasions like anniversaries, birthdays, New Year's kind of stuff. So a lot of the kind of sneakers that I've got now have come from my wife, or she's kind of bought it for me, so that's why they kind of mean a lot to me. That's why I display it. I mean, you guys, you might have different kind of reasons why you should be displaying your sneakers as well. Maybe someone significant bought it for you as well, or you waited a really long time to get a certain pair of shoes and that's why you want to display it. Or maybe you just really like the collaborator that collaborated with that brand. Like, let's say Travis Scott. Some people really love Travis Scott. They buy his sneakers, they wait in line, they full on pay a lot of money to get his sneakers. So once they get it, they want to wear it, and when they're not wearing it, they want to display it, kind of thing. So it kind of shows off all the hard work that you put into the sneaker, and it brings them back memories. Seriously, that's why I love displaying my sneakers, and that's why I have my statics out as well, because they remind me of Japan, because I bought them in Japan. All those kind of really vivid and happy memories, that's what they bring back, and that's why I display them. And that's why I will be doing this video for you guys today. And I also got a special package as well. It's from my man Alex. As you can see here, it comes from Lacespace. Now, if you guys don't know who Lacespace is, you've probably been under a rock or whatever. I'm kidding. They're an Australian brand doing a lot of things, not just in shoelaces, but they do a lot of things else in like sneaker accessories as well. They do dubres, they do sneaker clean products, and they also do display cases for your sneakers. I know there's a lot of other places that can do it too, but I really do highly suggest, and please support your locals. Lacespace is a local brand out here in Australia, and they're doing their thing, man. That's why I kind of support them, and that's why I give a big shout out to them for be able to give me this this opportunity to show you guys how to display your sneakers and why you should be displaying your sneakers. One of the main reasons why people don't really display their sneakers is because it kind of does take a little bit of time. But what I'm here to show you guys today is that it doesn't. Like, I will open this box and I'll show you guys how easy it is to actually just set up like a six box unit or display kind of unit that you can do, and it doesn't take any time at all, guys. So this box, it's a pretty big box, and yeah, I'm just gonna open it up. It says that you can get 6 inside. What you also want to know as well, guys, is that you can purchase way more than just 6, because a lot of people out there, they got a lot of sneakers to show. Oops. So I got one of the box. There's actually 3 boxes in there. So I got one of the boxes out, and I'll show you guys what's inside. It's so easy, guys. It's so easy just to set up your own display unit. It's always like a good bit of decoration around the house when when people come over. And then you can actually tell them like your story. It's like, oh, what's those sneakers? Why do you have them displayed out? It's like, oh, well, let me tell you. We open it up, and as you can see, it's all nice and neatly packed by the guys at Lacespace. So, as you guys can see, it's really it's that simple. These are actually 2 separate display boxes. I'll set up one first. It comes in 3 main parts. So it's got the base, the sides, the bottom, and the back. And all you gotta do is really put this on the top. careful when assembling. Put the top on, and then you got the front. Jeez. I just want to be careful. And there you go. There's one already done. That took me less than a minute to already kind of set up. And there you go. And your shoes are ready to be displayed inside. Let's get a pair of shoes to put inside, eh? It's a pair of shoes, your Jordan 1s. Now, of course, some of them, depending on how big your sneakers are and stuff, they'll be able to fit. Sometimes, depending how big your actual size of your sneakers are as well. That all depends. That kind of varies as well. So as you can see there, bam! Ready for display, my friend. It's actually really roomy. So there, all ready and set to be displayed. Now, a couple of other guys always usually ask me, how like do they fit, like how big can sneakers be to be able to fit in there. Usually with all kind of display units like these, usually size 13 is probably the biggest. Anything bigger can be pretty tight. I mean, it always kind of depends on you, especially like if you have like, let's say Air Mags or the Fear of God Nikes. They're going to be hard to fit like standing up, of course, so you're going to want to turn them on their sides and like put them in. But you know, usually other sneakers like these, like Yeezys and other stuff like that, they fit perfectly inside standing up, and that's the way that you kind of want to see them. Other people want to display them backwards as well. I like it showing like that. I mean, that's pretty cool too. I mean, everyone's got their own kind of different styles. A couple of suggestions as well in terms of putting your sneakers and stacking them up. Not all of them are kind of straight. How do I say this? Like when they go up, they don't, sometimes because of the weight of the shoe as well, they kind of bend a certain way, and there's kind of ways to prevent that from happening. And a lot of people, what they do, especially I know Kais does it, he puts Velcro on the sides. So try to get the ones that probably match the color of the box itself, transparent or like white or something, and you stick it to the sides, and so they Velcro all together all the way up, or you do it towards the top, like the ones at the top, and then they stick together so that they won't kind of eventually kind of lean towards a different way. And it just looks like a better, cleaner display when they're all kind of symmetrically together without any gaps. So that's just kind of my take on it as well. But as you can see, guys, look at it. If you can see your sneakers like this instead of just seeing them in a box, like which way would you rather see, this or this? Right? See, that's the difference. Like literally, come on guys, it's pretty easy. You know, you spend a lot of money on your sneakers as well, so you might as well just take the time and literally just put some together. Literally, I'll put another one for you guys together. So we've got the base, you got the top, so you know that it's not going anywhere. So you can hear those, when you hear those really loud clips like that, that's how you know it's solid. You get the last part, and then you put it together. Yay! Bam bam, you're done. And there's another one for you guys. So it's so super easy stacking them up, you know, as you can see there. So you know, they look really nice together too, especially you got more than if you got around 6, it looks nice, as you can see there. When you do kind of keep stacking them up, they look really nice together, and they display your sneakers very, very well. So I hope you guys got a little bit more of an insight, and I gave you a little bit more motivation in terms of displaying your sneakers. Seriously guys, come on man, you love your sneakers, show them some love, right? I mean, you walk around in them, you get all these really cool stares and like all these people looking at your sneakers. You might as well just like give them a nice place to like stay for a little bit while they're still currently in your rotation kind of thing. And or like, you know, if you don't want to wear them, put them in one of these. Seriously, I've always been a fair believer in displaying your sneakers over the just leaving them in the box, because that way, you know, they kind of you know, they get some air as well. And it gives you a chance to actually kind of refirm and kind of jig the glue on your sneakers as well, because you don't want them to crumble. And especially those OG heads that have had sneakers for a while, you want to like move the glue around so that, you know, that the sole doesn't crumble and doesn't like kind of tear away from the actual upper when you use it, like maybe like years from now or months from now kind of thing. So it just kind of looks after your sneakers and it gives them a chance to breathe as well. And what I like about these are pretty much dust proof. Like it protects the dust going into your sneakers and keeps them cleaner a lot longer. I know, how do I say this, they have ventilation holes as well. So I know the guys from Lacespace were telling me that you know, they help you. These actually help your sneakers. So you can also try put in shoe trees as well. The good ones, guys, the ones that you can actually adjust, not the spring-loaded ones. The spring-loaded ones actually do damage. The ones like the ones from IKEA. Like I still have heaps of them. I still put them in my sneakers and stuff, but not all. Probably not my Jordans. I never put them in your Jordan ones because they actually kind of disfigure the shape of them. So it's really important to know, or to actually note to use the, you know, the adjustable, the proper ones. Anyway, guys, I hope I was able to enlighten you with display cases, and definitely check out Lacespace and have a look at their website. They do have a lot of good stuff, and they do cater for more than just 6, guys. If you want to order like 100 more, like something like that, even small orders, guys, they can accommodate for that. And they're really good with their customer service as well. If you haven't met Alex, Alex is such a cool dude. He's a funny dude. He's always out in showing support in all the local sneaker events. So do check him out. When you do, you know, when you see him there, say hi. He's a really nice guy. Anyway, guys, I want to give a big thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, if you liked the video, please give me that big thumbs up. And if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel, because I got more cool content coming up too. Anyway, thanks guys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.